Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to learn how to quickly churn out tons of designs in Canva at once? Click Create to start a new project, then choose Customize from the available options to adjust your settings. Use a 300 by 300 pixel image for best results. Next, click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Poster for quotes and press Enter. Browse the available options and select the poster design you'd like to use for your project. Type your keyword into the template search bar to look for a template. Browse the available results, then select the template you want to use by clicking on it to open and start editing. To clear a table in this example, first click on the table to select it. Once the table is selected, look for the toolbar at the top of the screen. Locate the option labeled Clear or Delete, then click it to remove all contents from the table. This will leave the table structure intact, but all data within the table cells will be erased. If you want to completely remove the table, choose the Delete Table option instead. After clearing or deleting, you can continue working by either re-entering new data or inserting a different table as needed for your project. Add a new browser tab, then type google.com into the address bar. Once Google loads, use the search bar to look for ChatGPT and display the results. In the ChatGPT interface, type your request in the text box. Enter, "Give me short quotes." Press Enter to send your message. ChatGPT will process your request and respond with a list of brief, inspiring quotes that you can use or reference as needed. First, select the content you want to copy and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, click where you want to paste it and press Ctrl+V. Now you can see that the content has been added successfully. Click Done. In your workspace or on your page, click on the text element you want to edit. Once the text is selected, you can begin making changes or adjustments as needed to match your requirements. Click Connect Data at the top. Next, select Text Empty One from the options, then click Continue. The system will automatically generate 10 design templates for you. Finally, click Create to complete the process and move on with your newly generated designs. Create your design. Once complete, you'll see a message confirming your project designs have been saved. This ensures you won't lose any of your work. Click the Project tab on the left side of the interface to open the Projects panel. From the list of available projects, select the one you want to work on. After selecting your project, click the design file within it to open and begin editing the project layout. There are 10 designs available. Click Apply to All Pages to use the selected design across your entire project, as shown in this example. First, delete the unwanted content from your document. Then, apply the desired formatting or changes across all 10 pages. This ensures your document is updated uniformly and free from unnecessary elements before you proceed with any additional edits or adjustments. We've added our new codes. Next, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose PNG as the file type for your download. You can increase the image quality or size using the available options. If you need to print your design, select PDF instead of PNG for the best printing results and improved clarity. For best printing results, adjust your settings and click the download button. You just learned how to bulk create designs in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.